Today I am going to talk about bisection method. That is also one root finding method. So here is the problem statement. Find a root of fx is equal to x cube minus 4x minus 9 using bisection method. So first we have to check the root lies between the interval. So first I am taking the interval a and b. Here a is 2 and b is 3, and then I am going to calculate fa and fb. So f of 2, if I put that x is equal to 2, so that will give minus 9 negative, and f of 3, so that will give 6 positive. Since fa and fb have opposite sign, a root lies in a to b interval, so that is 2 and 3 in that interval. So now, after getting that interval, so we have to do that, we have to calculate midpoint. So midpoint is nothing but a plus b by 2, so that is a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, 2 plus 3 by 2, 2.5, and then we have to check f of c. So here f of c, if I plug that c is equal to 2.5 in that equation, I am getting f of c is 3 minus 3.375 negative. So here since fc is negative and fb is positive, so updated interval will be c to b, so 2.5 and 3. Now again we have to find out the midpoint. So that is c is equal to a plus b by 2. A is 2.5 and b is 3 right now, divided by 2, so that is 2.75. Now again I have to calculate fc. So here c is 2.75, so if I plug that in the function, I'll get 0.796875, that is positive. So earlier fa means that 2.5 is negative, and fc means c is here 2.75 is positive. So now update interval will be 2.5 and 2.75. Now again we have to find out the midpoint, and again we have to check the function. So now here I am going to check the convergence. So b to b minus a, that will be less than 10 to the power minus 3. So here earlier a b is 2.75 and a is 2.5, so 0.25, that is greater than 10 to the power minus 3. So convergence not achieved, so continue the iteration. Similar way we can again bisect that, and again we have to check the fc, and like that way we have to do the calculation. Now here is the table. So iteration number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, a, fa, b, the fb, c and fc. So now according to the sign we have to change the interval and then calculate c. So now if you go to the iteration 9 and iteration 8, show that in that c value 2.705078, so both are matching, and fc is in iteration 9 fc is that close to 0.008506. If I do more iteration, so it will be 0.0000 something. So now we can say that convergence actually achieved. The root is 2.706055. Now here convergence check. So b minus a, so b is 2.705078, a is 2.706055. If you check iteration number 9 and 8 and 9, so you'll get that if I take that difference b minus a and take the mod value, so that will be 0.000977 less than 10 to the power minus 3. Convergence is achieved. So now root is 2.706055. Now check the verification. So original function, original equation is x3 minus 4x minus 9 is equal to 0. So I am taking left hand side and plug x value, x here 2.706055. Okay, so now here 4 into, so that is not x here, so 2.706055 to the power 3 minus 4 into 2.706055 minus 9, I am getting minus 0.0085, so that is equal to nil, equal to 0. Okay, so the solution is verified, and approximate root is x3, and that is 2.706055. So that is about bisection method. Thank you.